hair's nappy, don't care. Today's a good day. I've been talking about this day for about a little over a year. So, I got the dad. We got an empty trailer. We got an empty trailer, cuz. Let's go. Almost there. The nerves. I'm excited. I don't know if y'all ever seen somebody this excited for something that looks this bad. But, let's go. Here it is. Oh, baby. So, the car obviously needs a lot of finishing up. I told him don't worry about that. I kind of rushed him. You know, he was still working on it. And I was like, don't worry about it. I'll take it. Like, still got to fill that over there. He started to fill it and then broke the bits. Don't worry about it. We'll take care of all that. Ain't no big thing, but got the down bars. Got, dude, got everything. Exhaust. He said he is going to come over and finish the teardrop bullhorn deal. Shock towers are reinforced. Obviously, wastegates. Beautiful charge pipe. We are going to have to do one thing. We're going to drill a bung in there and run like a single fogger. Just to spray E85. We decided against the intercooler. It would have been way too not complicated, but for what we're doing, we really don't need it. It's a drag car. So we're going to just spray a single fogger with E85 to kind of cool the charge a little bit. And then we still got to make these flanges. But the cage is done. Anti-rolls on it, parachute mounts on it. It's done. So I'm excited. Here's Ashley gonna look at it for the first time. Hey, Ashley.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quench the thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic with this logic, you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic.
I'm built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off
Ladies and gents, Duster is home. This is probably the only time I'm ever going to be able to get a video of all three cars in the same place at the same time. So, without further ado, we got the front bumper on the Savoy. Don't worry, we got to paint it though. It's going to go like a fake chrome. Let's see, got Dad over there. He's taking that thing tomorrow for an alignment. So if you don't know, that's Dad's. This is Dad's car, my motor. It's the Satellite. It's his motor. He can have it. And then y'all know the Duster. Bad girl. Thinking it's gonna make about 1,500, maybe 1,700, somewhere around there. But boy, cage. Oh boy, that's new. Parachute mount hit the wall. We haven't had that before, so wasn't aware of that. But dang, the Duster's so much smaller than the other two cars. We got a lot of work to do. In this next video, this mock-up motor's got to come out. We're going to clean up the firewall, clean up some of the stuff, paint it, paint the firewall, paint like all the frame rails and stuff like that. And then the other motor's ready to go in. So we're just literally going to hook it up to our mid plate, to our, PTC Power Glide 180 straight cut, and then set it in there. Got a motor plate. Boy, I forgot how good these whole shot wheels look. And the exhaust is not finished yet. We're gonna do something a little bit special, but right now it's That's where it needs to be. But and then we got to come in here. We still got quite a few holes to weld up in the floor, and then we're going to wire wheel it, paint it, and throw some carpet in it. So, oh boy, I mean, she's dirty, obviously, and the car needs to go on primer. That's, you know, soon, baby steps. All right, the goal for this car is I want it to fire up in about 3 weeks. I think it's doable. So, a lot of work ahead of us. Wish me luck. I'm gonna try to film as much as I can on it. We'll see you then. Love you. Bye. Finally home from work. So probably should clean up the garage, but we're getting straight into work, the old girl. Oh, I'm so excited to have her back. So I guess we'll start popping stuff off the front of it. Start popping the heads off, and then we'll kind of hold off there. Give this stuff, take it over there to the new motor, put it on the new motor. Yeah. And then I guess start filling holes. That's the game plan. I would like for this car to be done November, I believe it's 14th or 18th or something like that. There's JJ's arm drop here in my hometown. I don't know, because then we got a lot of testing to do and all that stuff. I mean, we could throw it all together, but at least while the motor and stuff's out, I want to get the engine bay cleaned up, get that painted. So that's something we don't have to worry about. So if we do make that race, cool, awesome. If we don't make that race, next year. I don't want to rush it. I want to drive it so bad, but I don't want to rush it to where I forget something stupid and then we're fighting it for the next 4 or 5 months. You know what I mean? So go ahead, pop this grill off, start taking off the turbo kit, and yeah, start removing all this stuff and piling it somewhere else up in this dirty old garage. So I guess let's get it. Tore apart. This is what I was talking about whenever I said a mock-up block. Look, it has nothing in it. This is actually the block that I think we're going to use for that truck, if we can clean these cylinders up at 30 over. So we'll try to clean that up and maybe put it through electrolysis and see what all we can get done. What's next? I don't know if I'm gonna pull the motor just yet, or if I'm going to start welding up some of these holes. So we can keep that one, because that's obviously where the harness comes through. I got like a new cover for it. But like all these other ones, like that, way back in the day when that was done, that, you know, so on and so forth. Cut all that stuff out, well, drill it out, because it's just prop riveted in, and then weld it solid. The goal here is to keep fire. If any fire happens over here, it'll keep it out of there, specifically right there. The next big upgrade I'm going to do is fire suppression system. I want to do it, just can't do it right now. I ain't got the money for it. So let's focus on getting it running. Then we can talk about fire suppression. I guess we're going to go ahead and start that. Why not? Yay. I mean, sometimes, you know, you just got to sit here. Just be like, bump, 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 bump. Oh, you got a shifter. You know, sometimes. And then, I'm trying to get my fat butt out of here, boy. They built a safe race car. They said, oh, dang it, the steering wheel. Don't ever talk about how hard it is to get out. First you got a foot over, grab up here, and then kind of pull yourself out. Oh, you're going out the car. Ugh. All right, I'm out. So, I ain't got much metal. I thought I had way more than I did. But let's go ahead and start figuring out what we got to, what we gotta, you know, what we gotta cover. And then go from there. All right, boys. We got her all stripped down. I gotta go get some metal. So it's getting pretty late, so I'm probably gonna do that tomorrow. Woo! Oh, you're dirty. All right, that's better. So I think it's gonna be it for today. I'm tired from work already, and I feel like we got pretty a lot done today. So this weekend probably have the heads and the soil pan on the new motor, the big boy. I'll have this motor out, and I'll try to have the firewall at least all tacked in, and Sunday probably try to run the beads and smooth all that out. I'm hoping like next Tuesday paint it, and then possibly next weekend, or we'll be racing on Saturday, but Sunday we put the new motor in, and then that's the game plan. So thank you guys as always for watching. Please drop some love down below, like it, comment, helps me out in the algorithm, and